Welcome back, guys. It's Friday, release day, and we are in front of our favorite store, GameStop. They have plenty of selections right now, so we're going to grab a few things from here. We're going to head to our next spot. You know how we do it, and grab a few things from there, and then we're going to have that unboxing for you guys later. So stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Sorry, I know I was supposed to be going live for this unboxing, but due to technical difficulties with YouTube and me not having my channel for a long enough time, I have another 24 hours before I can actually stream live or go live. So I am going to upload this video today, but we're definitely going to still unbox these. So we have more ETBs coming and more booster bundles, but we're going to unbox these now. Alright guys, because the booster bundle are packs and the ETB has all that good stuff in it, we're going to go ahead and go through the ETB first. So you guys got your Journey Together player's guide, of course, all your good cards in there. Then we have the box itself, guys. Alright, so you know you have counters and your poison, fire. It looks like that's all they came with on that end. Then, of course, as you guys know, we have our promo. Gorgeous promo, guys. Since I have several of those, it's probably the last time you're going to see that. We have our energy pack, put it to the side, and our sleeves. So I'll probably be giving away those sleeves with 2 Journey Together packs as well to one lucky subscriber. So you guys remember to subscribe and comment on what was your favorite pull for today. And here we have our packs for our first ETB, and we're going to go through all of these, guys. So since our booster bundles are just 6 packs a piece, we got several ETBs to go through. Let's go ahead and get it started. First pack. We're going right in. First pack in the first ETB. Oh my goodness. That was way more difficult to open than I thought it would be. All right, let's go right in. First pack. Wow. First pack, guys. The Iono's Belly Boat EX. On the first pack. First pack. Pink. Wow. That's crazy. Belly Boat on the very first pack, guys. That is crazy. Already the hits begin. Let's do it, guys. My favorite part is ripping. I love ripping, guys. I don't know why. It's just sorry. Oh, going too fast. What's the rush? And a Lycan Rock for Halloween. All right, let's keep going. Got a long way to go, guys. Ripping. Butterfree for the only one hit today with the Iono Belly Boat. Iono Belly Boat. Let's keep going though. We're not done yet. We got a long way to go, guys. Appreciate you guys for joining us. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that post notification bell so you guys can you know whenever we get those big hits, you do too. And a double. Ooh, wow, this is being rough. Okay. It's just the first pack. It's just the first box. We have 2 more ETBs and 2 booster bundles to go. So there are multiple possibilities for hits, guys. Multiple possibilities for hits. And Parasite. Wow. Another Lock and Rock. Sorry guys, I was a little stunned. Another freaking Lock and Rock. Thought we would've got something better than that, guys. Come on, Journeys. You're not really together with me right now. Belly Boat was the highlight, and I guess they said after that, you don't need nothing else. Like, well, we're not giving him anything else in this box. He got the Belly Boat. Kilowattrel, the Hope's Choice Band, and Metagross. Okay. 3 more packs in this first ETB. 3 more packs in the first ETB, guys. We are still on a roll. We do have other unboxings coming up for you. 151 unboxing and a prismatic unboxing coming for you guys. A couple of other ETBs that we might unbox. Pillow Swine and a Reshiram. Not the Reshiram I was looking for. It's a Reshiram. Let's keep going, guys. Come on, Journey. Why are you doing me like this, Journey? Where are the good cards? Where are the hits? So you gotta make sure you're just an elite trainer. You can just get all the cards. Marcus. And a Blaziken EX. Okay. We'll take it. Blaziken EX. Wow. It's not a major hit, but it's a hit. However it goes, guys, it's a hit. Blaziken EX, guys. Going into the hit section. Wow, that hurt. Alright, guys, I have 1 more pack for the first ETB. Last pack in the first ETB, guys. Let's see if we can get lucky. Last pack in the first ETB Magic. See if we can get another AR. Or we can get an AR. Got Butterfree, Ends Clink, and alright guys. On to the next box. Sorry about that, guys. Trying to get situated here. Let's go ahead and get to ripping. Second box, guys. You know what? I'm gonna mix these up a little bit. Maybe that'll help with the hit selection, because 2 hits out of that whole ETB was crazy, guys. I mean, that was the worst. Like, that was horrible. At least to me. That was really, really bad. Just 1 Jelly Bolt, which is a great card. I like the card, beautiful card, but man. Guskin. Golden, Mr. Mime, Lumbre, and a Lycanroc. Damn, another Lycanroc. Okay. It's okay. Still have a chance for that Clefairy. That Clefairy is still able to be pulled today. If not, we have other days, but I'm hoping we get it today. It would be nice. It would be a really, really nice hit card. Nothing yet, but we are fresh in this ETB, so we still have plenty of time to pull something major. Oh, the Belly Bolt, the other Belly Bolt EX. So we have the full art Belly Bolt and the regular Belly Bolt EX. Okay, take it. So we'll take the hit. Right in the hit section over there. Keep going. To me, I feel like they're only giving us like possible 2 hit cards per ETB. Ooh, another Blaziken? Yeah, I have Blaziken twins now. Okay, guys, we are not done yet. We are not done yet. I feel like tricking these. Let's just go into them. No trickery. Electro, Coral, and okay. Come on, guys, give me something good. Give me something good. Oh, there it is. The Reshiram. I knew we were going to get it. I felt it coming. And Reshiram, baby. It is in there. Ooh. And then we have the Navar. That's the hollow. Oh, yeah. That ends Reshiram. Come on, guys. Oh, this card. I knew it was coming. I felt it. And I said I wanted that. This is one of my chases. And I got it. And also, this would be a perfect time to let you guys know, even though I wasn't able to secure a box, a booster box, I still was able to secure this. Oh yeah. We still got the hits. And I just waited for that so that we can make sure we have the twins. Oh yeah, the stamp of the 9. Oh, yeah. That was good. I like that. I appreciate that, guys. Yeah, that made me feel a lot better. Let's keep going. We still got 2 booster bundles to open and 1 more ETB that we are going to open today. Probably open 1 booster bundle, 1 ETB, and then 1 booster bundle to end off the video. Reshiram. I knew it was coming. Now let's see that Clefable. That Clefairy. Oh, Lolicolo. It's okay. It was a Clefairy, but it could be. Could be the next one. You never know. Could be the next one. If I could ever get them open. It's like that's the hard part. Alright, one more pack, guys. One more pack. We did hit that rush around and the Blaziken and the Belly Bowl EX in this one. So this was better than the first ETB. Way better than the first ETB, but of course it was still rough. Still rough. But hey, that rush around really brought me back, man. That rush around brought me back. Man, I was so happy to pull that. And let's go ahead and dive into the first booster box. First booster box. Just mix those up a little bit. And because I want to. First booster box, guys. Let's see what we can do. Let's see if the booster box is better than the Elite Trainer box. That's the real challenge right now. Let's see which ones give the better pulls. We got some good pulls in that Elite Trainer box, but let's see if we can get some good pulls in the booster bundle. And a Snorlax. Got the Snorlax, okay. Let's keep going. Let's keep going here. Shogun, Iris Fighting Spirit, and Mega. Okay. Still not too eventful. We've got the second pack in the booster bundle. We do have four packs left, I believe, so there's still hope. There's still hope. This is the first booster bundle that I've ever opened of the Journeys Together. This is the first ever opening of the Journeys Together for me. So guys, oh, the Lily's Ribombee, yeah. That's a hit. That's a hit right there. The Lily's Ribombee. Beautiful, beautiful card. Going into the hit section. Oh man. That's what I'm talking about, guys. That's a nice card right there, guys. All right. That wasn't bad. That wasn't bad. Still a Clefairy out there too. That was not bad. I'll take the hit. Considering we haven't had many. Definitely take the hits when we get them. We'll take every hit. Wow. Another Snorlax. These Snorlax is moving up. I thought I was asleep. It's the name, guys. Go to sleep outside the packs. So get some EXs, some art rares. Last two packs in the first booster box. And so far, the ETB is winning. With just one hit in the booster box, guys. Just one hit. Oh, the Wailord! Oh, 2 hits in the booster box. Oh yeah, 2 hits in the booster box, guys. After I just said all we had was one. Wow, I am not upset with that. Wailord, guys. Oh. Nice hit. Nice hit. And you know what? First box is closed. That was horrible. First box is closed, and we're gonna put that back there. First box is closed. First box of the Journey Together. Last pack of the first booster bundle. Last two pulls came back for us, man. Last two pulls with the Wailord and the Lily's Ribombee really brought us back a little bit, guys. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. We have one more ETB left, guys, and we have one more booster bundle for the day. And I do appreciate you guys for hanging out with me again. Alright. Alright, guys. Got our next ETB here. Oh, there goes Pat right there. Look at them. They're just flying out the ETB. They ready to get. They're just ready, man. They're just ready. So I'm gonna stop right there and just say the packs are ready. Last ETB, guys. Last ETB. And to be honest, even though there were less pulls with the booster packs, that Wailord and that Ribombee, Lily's Ribombee, was kind of amazing. So I don't know, guys. You tell me in the comment section, what do you think was after we finish, what do you think was the biggest hit for today? So don't forget to leave that in the comment section. And also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because whatever you guys comment and subscribe, guys, you know, we will be sending those Journey Together booster packs home with you guys, as well as some other stuff we might throw in there. So you never know what you might get in that giveaway. But don't forget, you have to like, comment, and subscribe in order to get it. You never know, I might throw 3 packs in. Alright, not starting off too well, but it's okay, guys. It's okay. Have a long way to go as far as these ETBs are concerned. Oh, Tyler kind of went his own way, didn't he? Nimble. I'm sorry, guys. This is getting darker. And a Salamence EX. We have a Salamence EX. Okay. First EX in this pack. And it is the Salamence. Coming over there in the hit section. Let's keep going. Still have time, guys. Still have time. Make sure this grip is tight. I don't want anybody to break these shoes. Is there something back there? Pelipper, Chromorant, and a Lycanroc. Crap. Okay. I need a Lycanroc. I have plenty. Sentry. And oh! The Valenia EX, the Volcanion. Sorry about that, I really took the names. Volcanion EX. I cannot see that. That is gorgeous. Volcanion EX for our first hit. First hit, guys. I'll take it into the hit section. Well, really second hit, I guess. The Salamence was one of the hits, but you know what we're looking for, guys. You know what we're looking for. Let's keep ripping. Let's keep ripping. Okay. Shiny board is always good. Alright guys, coming to the end of our final ETB for today. And not that excited yet. 2 hits. Nothing really. Oh, double up on the Wailord. Double up on the Wailord, guys. That's crazy. There we go. Another hit. We got Wailord twins, guys. Wailord twins. That's not bad. Say they're twins. Alright guys, let's keep going. It's not bad. I'll take it. Definitely take the Wailord. And a double. Okay. So exciting. 2 more packs, guys. 2 more packs. And then we have 1 more booster bundle left to end off the show. Thank you guys for going on this journey with me through the Journeys Together packs. As we see what we can hit on our first time in. We will have plenty more packs because obviously there's so much more to hit. But for right now, this is where we're at. So stay tuned for more packs as well. Stay tuned for more giveaways as well. The giveaway for today will be announced by tomorrow, which is Saturday. So make sure you guys watch, like, comment, and subscribe so that you guys can get in that giveaway. And you will be contacted through your DMs. It's the name, DM the Collector. You will be contacted through your DMs to let you know how to claim your prize. This is the last pack. Last pack of the ETB for today. Alright guys, last box of Journey Together. Very last box of Journey Together that we have for you guys. Training. Oh, the Salamence EX. Wow. Oh, wow. Was not expecting that on the first pack. That was a hit. First pack. Salamence EX. Masquerades for some reason. Needs Clank. Hoops bag. What? The Hop Zarkan EX. Wow. Did we hit, guys? Did we really hit? Wow. That is a gorgeous card. Man, the hit section is really grown. Last 3 packs, guys. Last 3 packs. Alright, guys. Last 3 packs. Warren and Delwood. Sarkans. Man, that's crazy. The hits just came in this one. Almost like they came and went. Oh, wow. Hit after hit, guys. What? This is crazy. This is crazy. Like, wow. I mean, one after another, man. One after another. That's crazy. Last pack, guys. Last pack. And that'll be it for this, man. This has been amazing. This hasn't been bad. I haven't been upset, and you know what that means. Box is closed. Box is closed, guys. Nope, you know what? We don't ever do that for the last pack. We go right in. Right in for the last pack, guys. Let's see if we can. Oh, went too fast, didn't I? Just showed you the Octillery with the Novern, and for the last card, hey. Lily's Clefairy EX, guys. It's not the one that we were looking for, but it is a Lily's Clefairy. So we said we wanted one. We said we were going to get one. We did get one. Just not the one that we really wanted. But hey, it's still a Lily's Clefairy. So hey, there we have it, guys. There you have it for today, our hit section. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you guys could be a part of when we get these big hits like this. And thank you for watching. Until next time, take it easy.